Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Qabuli Palow or Basmati rice with carrots, raisins, and I'm going to cook this with chicken. I have done different kinds of rice in my channel, and there's a number of different dishes that I have made with basmati rice, and I have done Qabuli Palow in the past for you guys. But the way that I made this one is a different style, and it's a very easy way, and it is completely different from the traditional way of making this dish. I try to make it as simple as possible for you guys to follow this. I'm very excited to share this delicious recipe with you. Please join me, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious dish. Thank you so much. delicious Qabuli Palow, Basmati rice with chicken, carrots, shredded carrots, and raisins. This looks really good, and it smells really good. My whole kitchen smells like cumin. Um, it's I can't wait to have some, and I will let you know in a minute. Wow, very delicious. I like the chicken. It's very tender, as you saw the way that I cooked it, and then when I buried it in the rice and left it in the oven for about an hour, that made it very tender and very juicy. And the raisins and carrots, I try to keep it on the healthy side. The original traditional recipe for Qabuli Pulao calls for lots of frying and sugar and things like that. But I stayed away from all of those and made it very simple. And honestly, this tastes much better than the traditional Qabuli Pulao. So, as I always say, please make my recipe and let me know about your comments and suggestions. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you. Love you all.